Well, we're gonna do how to replace the oxygen sensor. So first, you're gonna take this off like that, and that is the oxygen sensor over there. Then you will need this, and this is a special. They can sell it in AutoZone, I think, about 10, I guess. So sometimes it gets stuck. The oxygen sensor. So you're gonna apply fire and probably the W40 to loosen it up. So only you gotta take this off the electrical connection. It's very stuck. So you take that off. It was so hard on it. You gotta make sure all the wiring is okay. Oh, look at that. This wiring is a little broken. I didn't know. Oh, here too. And then you go all the way down. Sometimes this gets stuck like this. Well, it's not stuck. Hopefully it's not stuck. So this is upstream. This is down. This is another one below, in the after the catalyst, below, in the middle. Well, over here below. But you have a lot of carbon, but I think it's okay. Then you put a new one like this. So sometimes there is electrical problems. You always have to check it out. It has like a four wiring. And then you can use this one to check if electricity is coming over there. So you change this. And then you just go like this. There's something happening. Oh, sometimes it's better to do it by hand. Just wait for the car to cool down. So that will be helpful. So you connect this to the negative. And then we can check over here the electrical connection. This is a positive. The energy power. And all the rest connecting positive. And then there is electrical connection. There is electrical fan. Over here 14. There is resistant. I think he was negative. No, he was. This one is the power. This one is 12, 10, 14. And this one, I think this one is the positive. Sorry, the power, and the rest are the resistance. If I am not wrong, I think this one is the power, the red, and the other one go to the computer engine, and the other one probably go to the BCM, the body control module, and probably the other one go to the power distribution system. Or sometimes it go to the engine and to the many places. It can go anywhere, but I don't remember, but it's kind of like that. So this one is the power, and then which the three are resistant, probably sending signals to the computer or the power distribution or the body control module over there. And sometimes you gotta make sure that this all working, because sometimes the wiring is bad, so you gotta check that. And then so you put a new oxygen sensor, and then you just connect it like this. I think that was the position, yes. Sometimes it's a short circuit, open circuit, so you gotta make sure the wiring is okay. And then that's it. Let me replace this. Well, that's it.